Does $750 per day sound like an appealing number? What if you could make it on Pinterest? Imagine a platform where you can express your creativity, share your passions, and also earn a substantial income. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience. Pinterest, a treasure trove of opportunities, offers exactly that. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, we're here to guide you. Stay tuned to unravel the secrets of making $750 a day on Pinterest. Before diving into the process, let's understand what Pinterest is. Pinterest, in essence, is a visual discovery engine where people come to find inspiration. Whether it's about deciding what to cook for dinner, finding a new style for your living room, or exploring the latest trends in fashion, Pinterest has it all. But it's not just about finding ideas, it's a platform where each pin, each board, tells a story and connects like-minded individuals. And here's the exciting part. With over 400 million monthly active users, Pinterest presents a vast potential for marketing and revenue generation. From small business owners to global brands, everyone is leveraging Pinterest's unique user demographics to reach their target audience, drive traffic to their websites, and boost sales. So, now that you know what Pinterest is, are you ready to transform it into your income source? The first step to making money on Pinterest is setting up a Pinterest business account. It's a simple process and it's free to start. Just go to the Pinterest homepage, click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner, and select Create a Business Account. Fill out the required information, including your email address, password, and business name. The beauty of a Pinterest business account lies in its features. It provides you with valuable insights about your audience and the performance of your pins. It allows you to create ads, promote your pins, and even schedule pins for later. It's a game changer for anyone who's serious about their online business. In addition to these features, there's also the Pinterest tag, a piece of code you can install on your website to track conversions and target audiences. With your Pinterest business account ready, you're one step closer to your $750 a day. The key to success on Pinterest is finding the right niche. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, a niche is essentially your area of specialty, your corner of the market, where your content can truly shine. Selecting the right niche is like choosing the right pair of shoes. It should fit you well, it should be comfortable, and hopefully it should be something you love. Why? Because passion fuels persistence. And in the world of Pinterest, consistency is king. But passion alone isn't enough. Your chosen niche should also be popular among Pinterest users. Why? Because it's all about supply and demand. You want to offer content that people are actively seeking. So how do you find this magical intersection of passion and popularity? Here are some tips to get you started. Firstly, explore your interests. Write down everything you love and are knowledgeable about. This could be anything from DIY crafts to fashion trends, from travel photography to vegan recipes. Secondly, look for trends. Pinterest itself is a great place to start. Explore what's popular, what's trending, what people are pinning and repinning. This will give you an idea of what people are interested in. Thirdly, think about your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests, their needs, their desires? Your niche should resonate with them. It should provide value. It should meet a need. And finally, don't be afraid to narrow down. A niche is not about being everything to everyone. It's about being something special to someone. So be specific. The more specific your niche, the more you can stand out from the crowd. Once you've found your niche, stick to it. Consistency is key. Your pins, your boards, your entire Pinterest presence should revolve around your niche. Remember, the right niche can make or break your Pinterest income stream. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Your success on Pinterest hinges on this crucial step, so go ahead, find your niche, and let your Pinterest journey begin. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create attractive pins. This is where the magic happens. It's your chance to shine, to make a lasting impression, to grab your audience's attention and never let it go. Imagine walking through an art gallery. The pieces that catch your eye, those that you're drawn to, are not just visually appealing, but they tell a story. They evoke emotion, they resonate with you. That's exactly what your pins should do. Firstly, focus on the aesthetics. Make your pins visually appealing. Use high-quality images, play with colors that pop, experiment with fonts that are easily readable yet stylish. But remember, While it's important for your pins to stand out, they should also align with your brand image and the vibe of your niche. Now let's talk about the content. Every pin you create should deliver value. Whether it's a useful tip, an inspirational quote, or a tantalizing recipe, make sure it's something your target audience wants or needs. And don't forget to add a compelling call to action. Encourage viewers to click on your pin, to learn more, to explore what you have to offer. Next, we can't forget about keywords and hashtags. Just like you would optimize a blog post for SEO, you need to optimize your pins. Including relevant keywords and hashtags in your pin's description can significantly boost its visibility. Think about what your target audience might be searching for, and make sure those terms are included. And lastly, consistency is key. Regularly pinning fresh content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. It's not just about creating 1 or 2 amazing pins, it's about consistently delivering quality content that your audience will love. So remember, creating attractive pins is more than just about aesthetics. It's about delivering value, resonating with your audience, and optimizing for visibility. With these tips and tricks in hand, you're well on your way to creating pins that don't just attract viewers, but captivate them. Attractive pins are your ticket to attracting viewers and potential customers. So go ahead, start creating and let your pins do the talking. Now that you've set up your account and created attractive pins, it's time to monetize. Monetizing your Pinterest account isn't as daunting as it may seem. There are various strategies you can implement to start earning from your online presence. Let's explore some of the most effective methods. Firstly, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products on your Pinterest account. Each time a purchase is made through your unique link, you earn a commission. To make the most of this, ensure that the products you're promoting are relevant to your niche and appealing to your audience. Secondly, there's the option of sponsored pins. Brands will pay you to pin their products or services on your boards. This is a great way to earn, especially if your account has a significant following. To maximize your income from sponsored pins, it's important to maintain a high level of engagement with your followers. Regularly post interesting and valuable content to keep your audience coming back for more. Lastly, you can sell your own products or services. If you're a designer, for instance, you can sell your designs or offer design services. If you're in the fitness industry, you can sell workout plans or offer online coaching. The possibilities are endless. To make this work, ensure that your offerings align with the needs and interests of your audience. To maximize your income from Pinterest, you can combine these methods. This diversifies your income streams and increases your earning potential. Remember, the key to successful monetization is consistency and quality. Regularly post high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Engage with your followers and respond to their comments and messages. This builds trust and loyalty, which in turn boosts your income. It's also crucial to track your progress. Regularly review your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. This allows you to adjust your strategies and improve your results. With these monetization strategies, you're well on your way to making $750 a day. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered today. We kicked off with an introduction to Pinterest, a platform that's more than just a hub for DIY crafts and recipe inspirations. It's a goldmine brimming with opportunities for online income. Next, we dived into setting up a Pinterest business account. Remember, this isn't just about joining the platform, it's about setting yourself up for success. We've learned the importance of optimizing your profile, setting your brand apart, and setting the stage for your business to thrive. Then, we moved on to finding the right niche. This step is crucial, as it's about discovering where your passions and skills intersect with what the Pinterest audience is looking for. It's the sweet spot that will make your pins not just seen, but sought after. We also explored the art of creating attractive pins. It's not just about aesthetics, but about crafting visual content that's engaging, shareable, and ultimately monetizable. We've learned how to use compelling images, catchy headlines, and strategic keywords to draw in your target audience. Finally, we talked about monetizing your Pinterest account. This involves leveraging affiliate marketing, sponsored pins, and selling your own products or services. It's the step that turns your efforts into earnings. By following these steps, You're well on your way to making $750 a day on Pinterest. So what are you waiting for? Start your Pinterest money-making journey today.